Hello, hello, hello. This is Stella coming from Bemis Crafty Corner. And a little while ago, I picked up these acrylic stamps from the Dollar Tree, from the Crafter Square brand. And in the video, when I picked these up, I said, you know, we'll go ahead and take a look at these, and we will give them a chance, give them a try, and see how they work. And so we're going to do that today. And what I would like to do is I'd like to get some things together that we're going to need to kind of test these. And I'm going to test them as far as, you know, the quality of the stamp against something, you know, top end. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and focus the camera down a little bit and get out some supplies, and I'll be right back. So I have all of the things that we're going to need here. So we have, of course, the Crafter Square acrylic stamps. I also have this. Now these are the stamps that come with your Sizzix Sidekick when you first get it. So we're going to take a stamp from here that's about the same size and just kind of get an idea of both of them. So we're going to stamp side by side, okay? These stamps and some higher end stamps, okay? I have a Stampability acrylic block, which I've just cleaned. This has just been cleaned with some alcohol, so it's nice and clean. I have a stamp cleaner, as well as some liquid stamp cleaner to clean the stamps. 2 pieces of 110-pound cardstock and a piece of cork, because you want to use cork or foam or something like that whenever you're stamping with acrylic stamps, okay? And because I want to keep this nice and fair, we're just going to use some ColorWorks pigment ink. It has good saturation, and so I think for this little test it will be helpful. So let's start with a piece of cardstock. And we're going to just put a line down the middle here. Okay. And let's see. Get my marker. I want to get a nice fat one here so we can all see this. There we go. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this side, Crafter Square, and this one we're going to put Sizzix, okay? Because this is the these stamps are from Sizzix, so we'll do that. We're going to open this up, and I'm going to take the block. Let's start with the Sizzix stamp first, so let's get that out. So let's see here. Let's pick something that's kind of comparable. You know, we want something that's got as much going on. Alright, let's pick this one. It's random. I've never used this one before, so let's go ahead and use this one. So all we're going to do is ink it up, and I do know that the block is a little bit big, so I'm aware. And I'm going to put this down. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, and I'm going to pick that up. And it's not the greatest impression, but as I said, this is the first time I've ever used the stamp, so we'll do it one more time. We're just going to ink that up, making sure we got ink on the whole thing. We're going to press this down. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. We're going to pick it up, okay? So the second impression's a little bit better. And I'm going to go ahead and clean this stamp. And that is my own stamp cleaner that I make. And so it's a stamp cleaner and conditioner. And we'll go ahead and put this one back on here. And we'll go ahead and put this away. Alright, so now we're going to try the Crafter Square stamp. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to take it out of the package. Okay, first thing, it's not stuck between 2 pieces of plastic. It's stuck to the back here. So not on 2 sheets of acrylic, it's on acetate. It's stuck to 1 sheet of acetate, and then the other part of it is on this like glossy paper background. Okay. So, we need something with some solid and some open area. This one. Go ahead and we're going to put this one on the block. We're going to do 2 stamps with this one as well. So we're going to ink it up. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. Okay, and we'll do a second stamp. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. Now, I know that I missed ink there. I didn't put any ink on it. I saw that before I stamped it. So, but, you know, it's not bad. It doesn't move around and stuff. I did put some good even pressure on it, and it's not too bad. So we're going to go ahead and clean this real quick. So it's a nice thickness. It's got some nice elastic to it. It's not really stiff and rigid, which is a good thing. I don't like that it's stuck to this plastic, so I'll probably put a piece of acetate on this and not put it back in the package. For now, I'll just use the cellophane bag to kind of protect it. But that's, you know, that's our 2 pieces. And as you can see, I mean, the first one here, that was the first time we've stamped with a stamp, and we all know what happens when you do that. You sometimes end up with these like pockets of places where it doesn't actually contact the ink. Here we've got just a little bit of lift, but again, that was only the second time that has ever been stamped, so I expect a little bit. But the lines are nice and clean and crisp. The saturation is good. So over here, this is the first stamp that we did with it, and it came out really nice. These little lines in the heart are imperfections in the stamp. I think they're designed. It's part of the design. And then here, the only thing that went wrong was I didn't really check. I noticed it as I was putting it down. I had a little less ink right there. So the Crafter's Square stamps, they're pretty good. I mean, they work, you know. We can't complain. I can't complain about it. It's not that bad. We'll go ahead and do a second one, because this one's got a lot going on. I want to see if it, you know, do the lines come out less crisp? 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. No, that's really nice and clear and crisp. It's a really nice imprint. The stamp cleans up nice. Doesn't have any weirdness going on. It sticks right back to its acetate. It's really great. I like it. It's not bad. You know, for $1, it's not too, you know, not too horrible. I'll be back in just a minute to give you my scale. So grading this on our regular scale, taking into account the 3 areas that we like to see. Function, does it do what it says? Yes, it does. So on a scale from 1 to 10, it's 5. It does what it says it's going to do. It's a stamp. It's an acrylic stamp, and it stamps an image. Ease of use, how complicated is it? Well, it's a little bit of a pain in the behind to get it out of the packaging. You know, I would like to have seen it, you know, just take that extra second to put the extra piece of acetate in there. I'll go a 4 on that, because it's a little bit difficult. Value, is it worth the money? Absolutely. That's a 5. For $1, you know, there's 12 to 13 pieces in these packages. It does do a really nice image. So, you know, overall score on this one, 4.75, guys. I'm going to give it about a 4.75. So this is a 5. You know, it's a good product all the way around. So if you can pick this up for $1, fantastic. If you can't find them, let me know. If I find any more, you know, I'll be happy to throw them up in the store, or throw them in one of my sales, or just, you know, let you know I have them, whatever. But for me, I'm going to go with 4.75 on this one. It's nearly a 5. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for you. Listen, if you've never been here before and you're brand new, welcome. Do me a favor, hit the red button for me, like me, ring my bell, share me with all of your friends, and then your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends, and that is what a community is all about. Until I see you again, please stay safe. Bye-bye.